Good morning. Hi, 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 hi. Oh, good morning. What a beautiful day. Happy Wednesday. Just finished all my animal chores in the morning. Got everybody out, fed and watered. Look how big these little ducklings are getting. Oh, so plump. You guys are so cute. They're just starting to feather out. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's gonna be a hot one today. So I took the ducklings out of their little hutch here, turned off the lamp. They don't need that today because it's gonna be almost 80 degrees today. So they're gonna be out in the sun. Meanwhile, look what Aaron did. Isn't that lovely? Aaron got us a couple cords of cordwood for winter, and he stacked it really nicely, and then he covered it with a tarp so it's all protected and ready for winter. And the reason we protect it with a tarp is because we get some driving snow and rain that comes in this direction, so have to keep it dry. And those are the eggs I just collected this morning. Lovely. Let's see who's up and out today. I have my ram lambs and my breeding ram Olaf in the back today. There they are. They're in the daisy field, eating the daisies today. Quiet as a mouse. Very happy. They worked on this area for the last few days and did a great job clearing it. So I just moved it over to give them some more green stuff to chew on. So that's what's going on with my little ram lambs this morning. And the girls aren't far either. They're the ram lambs in the backyard and the the ewes in the front yard. Let's go see where they are. Here they are. Hey girls. Hi girls. Hi. What are you doing out here today, huh? We're eating grass. It's mowing the lawn for you. Thank you. Ladies, I appreciate your help. Yesterday I had them in the front yard, like over by our cherry trees, and they mowed that down real short, real fast. So today they're on this little portion. I do have a lawnmower. I could mow my lawn, but these girls can do it for me, so I'll just put them on it. And that's one of the nice things about having Electronet. You can just move their fence around wherever you need them to munch, and they just mow it down for you. They also take care of these pesky weeds. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you, Shirley. So that's what's going on here. And we've got some sweet little duckies out here. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. My little apple yards. Got some chickens out. Got some geese bullying a duck. You guys bullying that little duck? Who's in there? Is it Dandelion? Dandy? What happened? Did you see that cloud come off that chicken? That's how chickens take a bath. They roll in the dirt, and they collect it in their feathers, and then they shake it all off in a sunbeam. Wow, that was really dusty. We got the geese out this morning. I don't know why they're in their pen when they don't have water in here. You guys, go out. Out you go. Out you go. Good girls. There. There. Chicken run is open, but all the chickens appear to be back in the coop, except for Richie Rich. He's out in the run. Oh, he's got a girl now. All the chickens are in the coop because it's so hot out. They just want to stay in the shade. That'll be the name of the game. Stay in the shade. A little bit of waterfowl bullying going on back there. You see that? And who's in here? The barn needs to be organized, always. But we've got 2 roosters just plumping up and waiting for freezer camp. 2 quails, same thing, still plumping up, waiting for freezer camp. My 2 bunny boys, these are my bucks. Applejack, the English Angora, and Padre, French Angora. And they're doing awesome. And I did breed Padre with my bunny Dreama about 2 weeks ago, so she's due right around July 4th for her first litter of bunny kits. We're gonna have Angora kits. We're very excited. And we love you. We hope you're having a great day. Hope you get outside, but stay hydrated, and then go back inside and get some shade. That's what I do. Pool party? Yep. All right. We love you. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.